Let's address the electrical installation scenario. We have an existing facility fed by a 2500 kV ampere transformer with a 480 volt/277 volt secondary. The present neutral to ground bond is located at the main switchboard. The plan is to install a manual transfer switch outdoors. This transfer switch will receive its normal power from the existing transformer and backup power from a portable generator. First, consider the need for overcurrent protection and ground fault circuit interrupter protection at the transfer switch. According to the National Electrical Code section 250.30.1, service equipment exceeding 1000 amps necessitates overcurrent protection with ground fault circuit interrupter protection. Given that the transformer is supplying more than 1000 amps, the transfer switch would indeed require an overcurrent protective device with ground fault circuit interrupter protection on the normal power side. Second, regarding the neutral to ground bond location. The National Electrical Code section 250.28 dictates that the neutral to ground bond must be situated at the first point of connection of the transformer's secondary conductors. Therefore, if an overcurrent protective device with ground fault circuit interrupter protection is installed on the normal power side of the transfer switch effectively becomes the first point of connection for the secondary conductors. Consequently, the neutral to ground bond would need to be established at the transfer switch location. Consider these additional points. 1. A transfer switch itself does not provide the overcurrent protection mandated by the National Electrical Code. Separate overcurrent protective devices must be installed for each circuit. 2. Verify that the transfer switch is listed specifically for use as a service disconnecting device. 3. Ensure that the portable generator is listed for use as an alternate power source.